we are recording the last moment of our this office, and so we are leaving this office now. What is the story behind this? Can you share your thought, please?
Story behind shifting?
Yes.
Story behind shifting is that AI has taken over everything.
Okay.
Mainly the thing is we planned in 2024 December, and our team was growing like 12, 14, 15, and finally we went to like 25 people. And the plan was to go to like 50 people, 50 headcount of 15 AI data house. So that's why we moved here. It's around 4,000 square feet space, a lot of space. And one room was for developer, one was for pre-sales team, one was for closers and all that. And there were like many dreams. I was just taking the view. So this room and the common room, we were building it with very tiny details so that we can make it a better office. It took like 6-7 months just to set some basic things, because it was a very big space, and whatever we put, it was taking all of the money. But in like mid of 2025, mainly things started shifting towards AI. And as you know, we had 3 teams: one data team, automation team, AI team, and all teams were of like 6, 7, 8 members. And now the same productivity we are getting from 2-3 people. In data team we have 3 people, in automation team we have 4 people, so we are getting almost same productivity. So in 2026 we don't think we will go to 50 headcount, or that is not the next goal. The goal, or to get them to increase the revenue, we don't need to add headcount, add more people with that speed. So that's why we are leaving this space. We are only 10-12 people now, and we are moving to a smaller space. So that's the main story.
Okay, so let's walk through the office and let's discuss about the things more. I want to ask some questions. The first one is like, why you admit it, like you are downsizing and you are making the team small, instead of like all other companies, they are growing, they are making team large and they are adding up people, but you are like downsizing and all that stuff. Why?
Actually, no companies are growing, but not with the headcount. In 2026, if you will notice, no company is growing with respect to headcount. In 2024, that was the parameter. So if there is a 30 people company, it is a small company, 50 people company, 100 people company. So headcount was a measure of company growth. Now it's not. Revenue per employee matter more now. One employee with right mindset, with the right AI tools, he can do work of 5-6 developers. So headcount is not a parameter anymore. So we are downsizing with respect to people, but we are going to definitely be more efficient, more productive. We are going to hit the same revenue, and we are going to evolve faster in this era.
Okay, fine. Also, like you have a large office here, I can see. And what is the dumbest thing that you spent in this office until now? Like you can say anything, like
Dumbest thing, yeah, there were many things, but yeah, from AC, from solar would be definitely that, because we spend like a lot of money on that to run our complete office on solar. And then after next month in our weekly level 10 meetings, we realized that we should move to night shift again. In 2024 we were doing the night shift. In 2025 we started both the night shift and day shift. But we decided to move everything to the night shift, and once we decided that, solar became irrelevant. We were not using it, so that all of that money was like went into scrap.
Okay.
In that 1 year. So that was, I think,
the dumbest thing.
yeah.
Okay. And looking back, like what was the sign that warned you, like that you ignore, but it was the warning for you, and you think like, okay, I ignored that sign. If I was aware of it, I will not do that.
Can you add more clarity?
Like you have buy the solar, like you buy the AC and all that inventory in the office, but did you get any sign that was warning for you, and it seems like I'm not doing right for now?
It was there was no warning, because it was just considered as an investment, because we have to grow and we need this stuff, either we are working in night or day. Actually, AI changed the things. It was unpredictable. At that moment, no one was predicting like it will be a change of this particular level.
Okay, so if you talk about the founders that are like who are your clients, without naming them, can you please tell us like what they bring to you, what was the problem they bring to you, what was the solution that you provided, and how you think like if a person that I added in the team, he can work like as same as the 3% can do?
So mainly we do everything from data. You are generating a lot of data, so we analyze it, we clean it, we build the dashboards around it, we build AI agents around it, so that you can just ask your questions and it can bring the answer. Connecting CRMs, building chatbots, and all that. So 7% team was building 7 dashboards. Now 2%, 3% team can build those 7 dashboards in a day. The number two thing is like data cleaning, understanding the business domain and all that. Now 3 persons can do the same work more proactively. And similarly for if we talk about coding, we were doing VBA, AppScript, Python, front end, back end. So now again, all of those things, we were hiring different developer. I remember in 2024, one AppScript project was taking 2 days. Our developer was doing one project in 2 days, and now it is just a game of 2 hours. So it has made that simple.
Okay, and if we talk about just about the field of AI, the automation, like what was the specific problems that you solve for your clients in this office, and what you are planning to solve in future as well?
Regarding AI, we started with custom models in 2024. Overall, the shift was on custom model, training custom AI models to forecast sales, to computer vision models for exercise, we build AI models for vending machines, we build AI models for a lot of different stuff. Now in 2025, 2026, it's more about integration. There are a lot of off-the-shelf solutions that are available. You just have to take 3-4 solutions and you just have to integrate it and the thing is ready. So custom model development is decreased for small clients at least. And the thing that we are targeting right now, that is more focused on consultation side. So overall, our business come to us and we audit the complete system from lead gen to lead qualification to lead follow-up system, leads routing, and how the things are added in the CRM, how the calls are booked, how the AI can handle FAQs, how AI can handle appointments, how AI can recommend products to the operations, to the support. All of these things we audit, and then we see where we have to put chatbots, where we have to put agents, where we need to add calling agents, where we just need simple end-to-end. So we have moved to overall a consultation side. We are developing different stuff, AI virtual assistants, and stuff like that.
Okay, and like you are leaving this office, this large space, the big space, and you are going to a small space. That is good, but you will have some funds that will be freed up, and where you are going to invest that budget.
Yeah, that was the main motive. Let's move and I will begin. Mainly the point was of shifting that office is all about funds, because this place was planned for 50 people. If we are just sitting 10-12 people here, that is of no use. We are just wasting the money. And to adopt AI faster, we need more funds in R&D and we need more funds in marketing. So that's where we are gonna like shift. We are reducing our utilities or overheads, and we are moving that budget to R&D of tech and R&D of marketing, of both of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And like, why not something like increasing the team again to grow the more business as well, getting more projects and something like that?
Yes, we will be getting more projects, but again, team will not increase with that speed as we were increasing the team in 2025. Now we will just add 1 person and he will be doing work of 5 person. We will not be hiring a front-end developer, back-end developer. We will be adding a person who has overall domain expertise, who can solve problem by using different tools. So it will not be like at least for 1 year it is not going to take a very major hit. Currently also, like, clients are very changed. Some people think they can do everything with AI. That is also not correct. Like there are a lot of actually this is market will take correction in 3, 4, 5 months, I hope so. So the correction will be, the client will realize that the website that they created with that, it needs now, it has a lot of security issues. It is hard to maintain, and that's where the agencies will start getting more and more work related to that as well again. So it at the end it will generate more work. It will make more and more. So for example, let me give you a scenario. A client came and he wanted to develop a project management app for his team, right? So we were just taking, okay, you have a team of 5, 6. It is easier to do the same stuff on Google Sheet or Excel. But now for the same client, we are developing the web app. We can just take all of his stuff and we can, as per his brand requirement, we can design the complete web system. So at the end, overall value is increasing. More people are coming to AI and they are not afraid of the budgets now. because initially it was something that a big company can afford. A fancy CRM or a fancy web app, that was a luxury for bigger companies. Now small startups can afford that. Now smaller companies can, smaller teams can afford those things as well.
Okay, so if you get a chance again in 2025, let's suppose, and you have a chance to rebuild the AI data house again in 2025, what you will do at that time?
Mainly, as I say, it was, as AI was unpredictable. So maybe I will, if I know this thing AI is coming, so definitely I will not shift to this office. Maybe we could save a lot of cost that we spent into moving to this office. But if I was not aware of AI again, so maybe I will take the same path.
Okay, so what do you tell the people who think AI is going to replace their whole team?
AI will not replace whole team. AI will, just like in our case it happened. For example, we were having 7 people, 8 people. So now 3 persons are doing the same stuff. So there will be some persons who will be getting work done from AI. It will not be like I am the one and I am handling all of the work. It will not be like that. It will not replace whole team, but it will replace at least 50% of the team very easily.
Okay.
So for example, from our team we removed interns. We have developers, but senior developers only. We don't hire any basic developer now. After that, we were having 2 layers of closer and project manager. Now it is merged into one. So we removed our layers as well. And this is how it's going to change. But if we give the same Claude, we give the same AI to a new person who don't know about it. I was just looking yesterday. There was a person. A person went to like Twitter and he posted, I don't know about coding and I created 3 projects in one go. And he posted the URL like localhost.
Okay.
3535. So and people were commenting like it is like a monkey god. A monkey is going to ruin the world. So definitely you need basic. You need to be above the AI. What people are doing is like they are building their websites, they are building their web apps or all that with the AI. And once they are stuck, then they come to us. And then the person that we have in the team, those persons should be capable enough to solve those problems that AI left in their workflow. So that's the main part. And the second thing is cost of AI is more and more as compared to the someone who is doing with experience. So let's assume AI virtual assistant, a simple app OpenClaw that we install. So we install the same thing in $10 with a very reasonable service cost. But the client is, we got some client that spend like $500, $700, $800 with to just install that app by using Claude. So if you don't have contacts, if you are not aware of the things, then same things will be happening. And market will take correction. So
okay.
That's the main thing.
Understood. One last question.
Yes.
That is how you look at the AI tools that are in market right now, where they will be in upcoming months or a few months, a few years, like Cloud Code, OpenClaw, N8N. There are a lot. So automation tools are there. How you think like they will react with this AI boom?
No one can, actually all of these companies are still in negative, maybe you know about that. All of these companies are just burning money on AI. So till now it is very early to predict what's gonna come next, because we just sleep after 1 day, 2 day, whole thing changes. There are a lot of new tools, a lot of new services that are coming with each coming day. So it is hard to predict where these companies will be in 3 to 4 months. It will change. Market will take correction. Market will be once the market will become stable, then we can say where things will be moving forward.
Okay. So is there any last thoughts about this office, about this place, or?
Yeah, thoughts are very. It is a like this thought. I was just like this is the meeting room. Now it is empty. Table is here and chairs are already gone. So there are mixed thoughts. Mixed in the sense of I am a little bit about sad, because it was not like I got some funds and just put everything here, and so it was like we were saving from our monthly revenue where we were spending money on it. So it is sad to leave it. And on the second side, I am also very relaxed, because now it was a burden now, because we were sitting like 10 people and spending money for 50, 60 people. So it was a burden that is no more on our shoulder, and we can take care of our people now. We can build our funds more. We can keep funds so that we can spend more and more on R&D. So it's a mixed feeling.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Best of luck with your new office and new space. and let's hope best for your business as well. So thank you for your time.
Okay.